All right, so real question. Did you actually wake up on time today, or did you hit snooze like 5 times?
Let's be real, I hit snooze. Twice. Maybe 3 times. Okay, 4.
Yeah, that checks out. Hey everyone, welcome back to Timeless Tales English, the podcast where English sounds like real life, not a classroom.
Exactly. We're Emma and Daniel, and this is where everyday American conversations live.
No fancy grammar talk, just real moments, real words, and the kind of English people actually use.
Quick heads up, if you enjoy listening to natural English and want more episodes like this, you can subscribe anytime.
Totally up to you. We'll just keep the stories coming. Setting the topic. Original approach. So today's topic came from something that happened to me last weekend.
Uh-oh, those are always dangerous.
I was at the grocery store, super normal day, I had a list, but of course I forgot it.
Classic.
And I realized something. I knew the English words for everything I needed, but I wasn't actually thinking in English.
That gap between knowing a word and actually using it.
Exactly. And that's what today's episode is really about.
That reminds me of my cousin. He's learning English right now, and he told me, I recognize words when I read them, but they disappear when I speak.
That's such a real problem.
Yeah, and it's not because people are lazy or bad at English. It's because words don't stick unless they're part of your life.
That's the deal. English isn't something you memorize, it's something you live. Here's something I started doing recently. I don't write words in a notebook anymore.
Oh, what do you do now?
I give words a job. If I learn a new word, I assign it to a moment in my day.
Explain that.
Like, if the word is comfortable, I don't just learn it. I wait until I sit on my couch and think, wow, this is comfortable.
So the word shows up when the feeling shows up.
Exactly. No paper, no pressure.
I do something similar, but mine's a little weird.
Oh no.
I'll be narrating my life quietly.
Like a movie voiceover?
Kind of. I'll be making breakfast and think, okay, I'm running late, but it's no big deal.
That's actually brilliant.
No one hears me, no fear, just practice.
I do that in the car.
Talking to yourself?
Yep. Traffic brings out my best English.
Same. Nothing improves vocabulary like being stuck behind a slow driver.
Here's another thing people forget. They already have the best practice tool in their pocket.
Your phone.
Exactly. Instead of typing notes, try sending yourself a voice message.
Oh, that's good.
Just one sentence, one thought. Like, today felt exhausting but productive.
And later you listen back and go, hey, that sounded pretty natural.
And let's talk about the internet for a second.
Yes, the safest place to practice English, honestly.
You can pause, you can think, you can rewrite.
Leave a comment, reply to someone. Even one sentence counts.
That's real communication, not homework. When I'm walking outside, I play a little game.
What kind of game?
I describe what's happening like I'm explaining it to a friend who isn't there.
So instead of naming objects, you describe moments.
Yes, it's windy today. That store looks crowded. This street feels quiet.
That's how Americans actually think.
Here's the secret part people don't talk about enough.
I'm listening.
Words stick when emotions are involved.
100%.
When you learn a word during a boring moment, it fades. If you learn it during a meaningful moment, it stays.
Like learning relieved after a stressful day finally ends.
Exactly.
So if you're listening and thinking, I'm afraid to use new words.
That's normal.
But here's the truth. Most people aren't judging your English.
They're just trying to understand you.
English isn't about sounding perfect.
It's about showing up
Using the words you know.
and slowly turning them into words you own.
Before we wrap up, try this. Today, use one new English word on purpose.
Say it out loud, type it, think it. Any way works.
And if you want, drop it in the comments. We read them.
We really do. Okay, quick question. When was the last time you packed a bag and thought, I'm definitely forgetting something?
Last night, and yes, I forgot my charger again. We're Emma and Daniel, and today we're talking about one place that makes everyone a little nervous.
The airport.
So here's the thing. I've been daydreaming about a trip all week.
That explains the smile.
Yeah, I'm visiting family. They live far enough that driving is not an option.
So, flying it is?
Exactly. And even though I've flown before, airports still feel kind of intense.
Totally fair. Big buildings, loud announcements, people rushing everywhere. Before leaving home, reimagined.
All right, let's rewind. You're still at home. What's happening?
I'm standing in my room, staring at my bed, wondering how all my clothes are supposed to fit into one bag.
That moment of false confidence.
Right, I grab my main bag, the big one, and immediately regret overpacking.
And you've got a smaller bag too, right? The one you keep close?
Yeah, the bag with all the important stuff. Phone, wallet, headphones, the survival kit.
And please tell me you didn't forget your passport.
Nope. Checked it 3 times because panic. Arriving at the airport, new flow.
So I walk into the airport and
Boom, screens everywhere.
big screens, tiny letters.
I stop, squint, and finally find my flight.
That tiny moment of relief.
Then I follow the crowd until I reach the desk for my airline. Check-in moment, original dialogue.
And the person at the desk looks up like, "Morning,"
I hand over my documents, trying to look calm.
even if you're not.
Exactly. Then comes the question that always makes me pause. Where do you want to sit?
Ah, yes, the seat debate.
I like the window. I don't know why, it just feels right.
It's until you need to stand up.
True, but still, window it is. Security without copying details.
Then comes everyone's favorite part.
Security.
Shoes off, belt off, stuff everywhere.
I feel like I'm moving in slow motion while everyone else knows exactly what they're doing.
That's universal.
I empty my pockets, send my bag through, hold my breath, and
Hope nothing beeps.
no beep. Victory. Waiting area, real life feel.
Now you're past that part.
Yeah, and suddenly it's quieter.
People sitting, walking, eating.
That weird calm before boarding.
I grab a coffee, sit down, and check the screen about 5 times, just in case.
Even though nothing changes.
Exactly.
Eventually, it's time.
They call my flight and I line up with everyone else.
You show your documents one more time.
Then walk down that long hallway toward the plane.
It still feels kind of magical.
I find my seat, lift my bag overhead, and sit down like I earned it.
Seatbelt click.
Ready to go.
In-flight moment.
Once you're in the air, everything slows down.
Yeah, I look out the window, see the city get smaller.
That never gets old.
Later, someone asks if I want something to drink.
And you say,
Coffee. Always coffee. Eventually, the plane lands.
that little bump at the end.
You follow the signs, show your documents again,
Answer a couple simple questions.
and then comes the final wait.
Standing by the moving belt, watching bags go by.
Until
There it is. My bag, finally.
reflection, not teachy. You know what I like about airports?
What?
Once you've done it a few times, it's just a routine.
Yeah, same steps, same moments.
And the English you hear there, it's not fancy.
It's practical, clear, real.
Soft encouragement. So if you're traveling soon and feeling nervous,
That's normal.
you don't need perfect English.
You just need enough to move forward.
All right, before we go, tell us something.
If you could travel anywhere, where would you go?
Drop it in the comments, in English, even if it's simple.
That's how practice starts.
Thanks for spending time with us.
This was Timeless Tales English,
Safe travels wherever you're headed.
and we'll talk again soon.